Okay, today we're going to talk about how you complete your ELA morning work. First, you're going to go to your daily agenda. When your daily agenda opens, you're going to click Present Mode so that you can see it. And you are going to start right here in Enrichment and Remediation time, and you're going to click here for access to your ELA morning work. When you do that, your day is going to come up and you can scroll down to ELA Morning Work, and it is going to pull up a Google form. The Google form looks like this: Tuesday language review, or whatever day it is. The first thing you have to do is to type your first, notice it says first and last name, and you'll also notice that there is these little blue boxes. That is for math. It launches an app that helps you do equations, so you do not need those for the ELA morning work, but they are there. Okay, then you're just going to quickly answer a few questions. Which one is correct? Our teacher taught blank how to make corn husk dolls. All right, so do we think you would put we there, us, or I? So you could go back through and say, our teacher taught we how to make corn husk dolls. Our teacher taught us how to make corn husk dolls. Or our teacher taught I how to make corn husk dolls. Okay, so you're going to fill in and click on whichever one you believe is the correct answer. Down here, you're going to see the sentence, an ear of corn always has an even number of rows. This says label the parts of speech, each word from the sentence below. So you're saying the ear, so an ear right here where it's talking about an ear of corn, would that be considered a noun, a verb, a pronoun, an adjective, or an adverb? And then you're just going through each one. So if I said an ear of corn, I think maybe that is a noun. So if I thought that was a noun, I would click here. I am not necessarily telling you that's the answer. I'm just saying that's how I would select my answer. And you'll notice that you have to select one thing for each answer. So you have to have an answer for each word. So ear, corn, always. You have to select a part of speech for each one of those words. Then it says add a comma to the address of the world's largest corn maze. Cool Patch Pumpkins, 6150 Dixon Avenue West, Dixon, California, 95620. You're basically saying, do I think this one or this one or this one is written correctly? And you're looking for the comma. So you're just going to pick your answer. And you just continue on all the way down to the very end. Usually this is the one that is going to take us some time to practice. It says use the information below to help you answer this question. The question is, what does the word vision mean? So if I know the root V-I-S means to see, look, or sight, I go back to my word and I see that V-I-S is at the beginning, so that's the root word of vision. What do I think vision might mean? So that's how I select my answer there. We will go over this, so just do your best, and then you click submit, and you are all done. It automatically turns that assignment in for you.